Alright guys, just taking a little morning walk along the beach. It's probably about 50 degrees or so this morning in northwest Florida, but just taking a little walk, and just wanted to cover a really quick topic about the order of operations and the acronyms that you may or may not be familiar with, like PEMDAS and BODMAS. I do see a lot of misunderstanding with both of those acronyms. PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. BODMAS is brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. They really represent the same four steps of order of operations, but a lot of people get confused and they see the M before the D or the D before the M, and they automatically assume that it's 6 steps or a 6-step checklist, and it's not. Multiplication and division have equal precedence. So sorry about that. It's a little bit chilly this morning with the air, but they have equal precedence, so they're just solved left to right. Just remember that division is the same thing as multiplying by a reciprocal. So with PEMDAS, you first have parentheses if you solve everything inside of those, and then you have exponents, and then it's multiplication and division left to right. So I just wanted to cover that real quick while I'm out taking the walk. So keep that in mind when you're using PEMDAS or BODMAS. BODMAS is, even though the D comes before the M, it's still treated the same way. Division and multiplication still have equal precedence even under BODMAS. So you're going to get the same answer either way. Just keep that in mind. See ya.